customized transformer factory. It only takes 40 hours for high-frequency transformer prototype. 10 plus professional engineers absorbed in transformer prototype to ensure faster shipment of prototype, meanwhile providing professional suggestions.
We have passed ISO 9001 UL CQC certification and gained a patent for planar transformer.
Mass production of 10,000 transformers takes only 5 to 7 working days. Such a machine can make 3,000 to 5,000 a day. We have independently developed an intelligent system. Both buyers and sellers can check the production progress in real time. Our data center. We insist on 100% forward test to ensure that the product parameters are correct.